Welcome back to the shed. Last episode we got the motor in. This episode I'm going to keep chugging along doing transmission crossmember. We'll probably get started on the exhaust. Try and get like the bulk of the fabrication stuff done. I got to measure up for a drive shaft, weld diff. There's lots to do, so I don't think there'll be any shortage of stuff to film. So we'll just get right into it. We got the T5 just chilling under here. I've got the angle where I want it. I just find a nice flat surface on the motor to get my degree downward of tilt. We've just got like an energy suspension bushing. This is the factory cross member. I took the factory trans mount out, built up this plate, and that bolts to here, which will sit like that. And then I've got a little gusset that's going to hang out under there. That'll take everything up, make it nice and rigid, and that's pretty much it. It's not complicated with this transmission to get the nice driveline angle that I'm after without making some kind of crazy brackety thing. It's just a plate, so that's nice. Less than ideal shift position is what it is. I don't really want to be shifting inside the console, so we're gonna put it kind of where it was before. That'll be great. That won't bend the shift forks at all. Something like that. Those are lewd hand gestures. Every time I try to do this without the camera in my face, I can do it first try. And when I'm turned into a bumbling idiot when the camera's on. I am Grace. The embodiment of...
Like an eagle piloting a blimp.
Yeah. That fit up though.
Tolerances.
Flexi, muffler.
That direction.
Out the side. We'll cut it down a bit.
7 inches.
That over here. Makes yourself useful. Bro. Go get a drink. Ow! How's that for some wiring? And yeah, you kind of need the speedo signal to see how fast you're going. Actually, I think the computer, the ECU uses it too. It was working, I think.
Not a Wi-Fi connection yet.
Almost Bluetooth. Yeah, let's drain the diff and weld it. Install the Miller Mega Traction unit. Actually, I guess it is a Lincoln locker because I have a Lincoln welder. Ow.
It's like the third time you've hit your head today.
Oh, nope. Cover's coming off because that ain't coming off. That's just gonna shear off. Hopefully it has some fluid in it. Oh, it's encouraging. Doesn't even look that bad. There's not that much of it, but it's not that bad.
That's fine.
Not a lot of metal. That is garbage. Pretty happy with that for a day's progress. That's pretty much it for drivetrain mods. I got to get the drive shaft cut and adapted to the T5 style yoke. I'm going to let someone else do that so that it doesn't fly apart when I'm at redline. Yeah, after that we'll move on to some more stuff in the engine bay, just finishing it up so the engine actually runs. And then we'll start on some interior stuff and maybe some more style point stuff, depending on how much time we have. Got till the end of the month. It's October 7th now. So it's hard to film this stuff and try and build it quickly as well. So doing the best I can. Hopefully that's good enough. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.